In one of our sites, we found that in just a brief period of time, there wasn't any hard bottom on the seafloor left to attach corals. Corals don't like being surrounded by sand. It's abrasive, it scours their tissue. And so we need to have hard bottom that we can attach the corals to. We literally glue them to the seabed. So we had to come up with an innovative idea, and I kept thinking about, what if we could just tile the seafloor, like you might tile your kitchen or bathroom floor? What if we could put down a hard bottom and create a habitat where there isn't one right now?
In the beginning, we were thinking of doing it in concrete, but concrete can be as well detrimental to the environment, like when you put it into water, yeah, because of the pH level, yeah. And so that's why we said, like, why not using a more sustainable material, which is basically clay. It's just soil in the end, yeah.
Usually you design for humans and their needs, and you have to take into consideration what they need in order to be able to survive. And we kind of did the same thing with corals. We had to learn what they need and design a house where they can also survive.
When we have to think about what species to restore, first of all, they have to be locally present, they have to be a local species. And the other thing that we have to think about is what we have learned from forestry restoration, how we plant trees, and what have we learned from the experience. We are testing monoculture, mixed culture, and polyculture, and we want to incorporate a community that would have different levels of resilience and different strategy to tackle with climate change.